Okay, so what I was saying, that this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, this is x, this is negative x-axis, and this is y, and down is negative y, right? So what I was saying, that suppose one angle is there. This is, suppose one angle is there. uh, I'm talking about this angle. Let's this value is theta. Okay, now suppose this angle, suppose the name, this is name is O, this is name is O, and this name is A. So I hope you can see this is OA is hypotenuse, right? Sorry, OA is the radius of the circle, and you know that this is the circle having the unit radius, right? That means this O is, length of the O is how much? Length of the O, sorry, length of the OA is 1 unit. Okay, so if I draw a, if I draw a right angle triangle here, suppose this is here, suppose I'm drawing a right angle triangle here. So this means this will be H, this will be hypotenuse, which is equal to 1 unit, right? So what will learn here, this is what we already learned. Suppose this angle, suppose this angle, I mean this OA is rotating from here. This is like a clock. Okay, so suppose a clock hand is going anti-clockwise, and suppose this length is coming here. Sorry, this OA is now here, O A dash. Okay, just wait. uh, Now O is here, where? Here. What is the name here now? The name now is A dash. The name now is A dash. Now we have to know, and we have to find what is the length of this distance, what is the length of this angle. Okay, this is theta. Okay, and this one is 90 degree. This much angle is 90 degree, that means pi by 2. Understood? That means a dash OA, I'm writing here, A dash OA is equal to pi by 2. So can anyone tell me what is the angle value of, what is the angle measurement of A dash O x? I'm asking what will be the angle of this angle? What will be the this angle? This angle. You can see this orange color one. What will be the measure of this angle? A dash O and x. What is the measure of this angle? Can you please tell me in the chat box? In the chat box, write down what is the value of this angle. A dash O x. This angle. Let me know. 120 degree. How 120 degree? We only know that pi by 2 and theta. Look, one thing we only know here, you can see here, we know this angle, is 90 degree, right? That means pi by 2, and this angle is theta. So what will be the combination of this angle, total angle? It will be pi by 2, it will be pi by 2 plus theta, right? Understood? So this is the things. It will be pi by 2 plus theta, because we know that this is value is 90 degree, a dash o and a, and this degree is theta. So this value will be pi by 2 plus theta. Now tell me, what is the this value of this angle? Okay. Yeah, value of this angle. I'm writing this is a dash o. I'm asking now a dash o x dash. What will be the value of this angle? This pink color one, I hope you can see this angle. What is the value? Let's see, anyone, this pink color one, what is the value? Theta. No, not theta, not theta. It maybe look like theta, but not theta. It will be something combination of pi by 2 and theta. But what exact value? Fast. 1 minute time. I'm giving 1 minute time. Let's see any answer. Yeah, correct. No, not phi by 2. It's just theta by 2. I mean pi by 2. Pi. Look, pi and phi is two different. Okay, pi is pi. Yeah, yeah, almost correct. Eloni is almost correct. Yeah. Why? Because look, let me explain. This angle, Okay, what is this full angle? This full angle is 360, right? 360. No, look, now we'll not say 360. Now we'll tell it will be, sorry, this full angle is 180 degree, right? 180 degree. So we'll not write 180, we'll write pi. We'll write pi. So this is pi minus pi minus which angle? This angle, right? So pi minus pi by 2 plus theta. So pi minus pi by 2 is what? Pi by 2, right? And then minus theta. Okay, whatever angle we are getting, understood? This is the things. So whatever angle we are getting, we have to generalize the term. Okay, we have to generalize the term. How to generalize? We will add 2n pi to any of the, we'll add 2n pi to any angle to generalize it. Why 2n pi? Look, 2 pi means what? 2 pi means full, 2 pi means full this angle, right? 360 degree. 2 pi means 360 degree. That means one complete revolution. And what is n? N is a any natural number. Okay, n not natural number. N is any whole number, because n can be 0 also. If it is 0, then angle is 0. Then if n1, it will be 360 degree like this. Okay, so for any angle, suppose this angle was theta, right? This angle was theta. So to generalize this, we'll add 2n pi. Okay, what was this angle? This angle, this angle was pi by 2 plus theta. So we'll add 2n pi to generalize. Understood? To generalize this term, we will add 2n pi, any of the angle. So this is how we have to find the angles, right? Now, now we'll come to another diagram. Very important thing. Now, just wait for 1 minute. I will. Now, we'll discuss few very important things. That is, first is, I'll write few formula, then I'll explain what are they. First is sine n pi by 2 sine n pi by 2 plus minus theta is equal to plus minus sine theta when n is even. When n is even, and plus minus cos theta when n is odd. I will explain all of this, okay? So just wait. Then cos n, sorry, pi by 2 plus minus theta is equal to, okay, let me explain what I'm writing. It is saying that sine n pi by 2 plus theta. Look, I hope you remember in last class we discussed that sine is positive which axis? This axis and this axis, right? Understood? That means, and oh, I forgot to tell one thing. There is a shortcut to remember this thing. Okay, I told that in first quadrant sine is all is positive, and second quadrant sine positive. Sine positive means obviously cosec positive, and other is negative. Okay, and third quadrant tan positive, obviously cot also positive, and fourth quadrant cos and sec. Now let me know one very I mean like catchy line is there. All school to college. Look, we used to go to college after school, right? So after all school to college. So this is one line to remember. How to remember this all? Okay, this denoting in first quadrant. First quadrant all, second quadrant school. Why school? School is started with sign, right? And then T, tan is third quadrant, and C, cos is fourth quadrant. So to remember this one, I don't know how I forgot this one to mention. This is very there is many thing is there. After coffee to sugar, after sugar to coffee, something like that. Many catchy line is there, but this is most relatable. So I am just sharing with you that all school to college you can remember like this. Understood? So what it is saying that after all means first quadrant is denoting all. Sorry, it is not all. It is after school to college. It is after, yeah, after school to college. Sorry. I mean we used to go to college after school, right? So after school to college. So A denoting all, right? So first quadrant we know that all. S denoting sign. So in second quadrant it is sign positive, right? 2 tan third quadrant, and C cot fourth quadrant. So this is what I'm saying. So sign is positive in which axis? Sorry, which quadrant? Sign is only positive only first and second quadrant, right? So it is saying, this formula is saying that sine n pi by 2 plus minus theta. It can be plus theta or minus theta, equal to plus minus sine theta when n is even. So let's give one example. Suppose I'm writing sine we have to find sine 135 degree. Okay, sine 135 degree. So we can write sine 135 degree, we can write 90 degree plus 45 degree, right? Next, so sine 90 degree we can write pi by 2 plus 45 degree, you can write like this. Okay, now next I can write sine 1 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree. Okay, why I'm writing like this? Look, sine pi by 2, okay, nothing multiplied means 1 multiplied, right? So sine 1 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree, this value will be, what is the value of n here? Let me know, anyone from the chat box, please let me know what is the value of n here. 1 is even or odd? 1 is even or odd? 1 is even or, yes. So what will be value of this here? This will be cos 45 degree. This will be cos 45 degree. Why 45 degree? Because here theta is 45 degree. Am I clear? Here theta is 45 degree. Okay. So cos 45 value is how much? Cos 45 value is, anyone, cos 45 value? 1 by root 2. It is 1 by root 2. Understood? Now, after that, we have to decide whether it will be plus or minus. How we will decide? We got cos 45, but how we will decide it is plus minus? Plus or minus, how we will decide? We will decide from this sine 135 degree. In which quadrant 135 degree will be? 135 will be in second quadrant, right? Because this is 180 and this is 135. So in second quadrant, sine is positive, right? So if sine is positive, this sine will be only positive. So its value will be plus 1 by root 2. Am I clear? This is very important thing. This part of this, actually we are entering the core portion of the trigonometry. Understood? So this understanding this thing is very important. So we learn the shifting of the angles. Now we are learning that what will be sine. So let me know if anyone have doubt. I'm just giving one small things. Let me know if anyone have doubt, because this is very important thing part now. So let me know if anyone have doubt. Next I'll give another example. Let me write one thing here. uh, Plus minus. Let me see. Any doubt? No doubt. I was asking this last example if you're having any doubt. So here I am including again. I'm explaining because this is very very important thing. One thing is that searching for. I'm looking for sine 135 degree. So whenever you have to find this value, okay, how we have to write like this: 90 degree or nearest 90th multiple. Why I'm writing 90 plus 45? Because here it is just more than, because it is very nearby 90, right? Then we have to write in pi by 2 plus the angle value. Then we have to put the value of the n. Here n value is 1. Then we have to decide n, if n is odd, then we'll write cos 45 degree, money cos theta. If n is even, we write sine 45 degree, sine theta. And what will be the this sign? The plus minus sign depend on which quadrant n pi by 2 plus minus theta lies. That means this angle, this 135 degree, in which quadrant they are lying. In first and second quadrant we know sign is positive, and third and fourth quadrant we know that sign negative. Let's try out another example. Let's try out another example, and this example you have to help me. So this time I'm finding, let's find out sine. Just take 375 degree, 375, 330 degree, sine 330 degree. Okay, so what will be our next step? Sine 360 degree. So first let me know what plus what, or minus, plus minus, anything you can tell. Let me know. 330, how we can represent nearest pi? Am I clear what I want? I'm asking you 330 degree, write down in something like this, something like this, 90 plus 45. I mean, what is the nearest we can write? Let me know. 330. I hope everyone can hear my voice. Yeah, correct, correct. 360. We can write this is 360 minus 30. Okay, or we can write, sorry, or we can write 270 plus 60. Sorry, 60. Right, both are same. Understood. But I'm here, I will take with 360 minus this. Why? I'll write like this because I have to show you the even part also. So next line it will be sine. Okay, 360 means what? We can write 2 pi, right? Minus 30 degree. Now, what is the value of n here? What is the value of n here? Anyone? What is the value of n here? In this term, what is the value of n? What is the value of n? Is that odd or even? Fast, fast. The value of n here, we can see this, we are writing like 2 pi minus 30 degree, right? So what is the value of n? Okay, for one thing I'm writing like this, 4 times of pi by minus 30 degree. Okay, yeah, we have to write like in the terms of pi by 2, right? So 2 pi and 4 into pi by 2, they are same, right? Now let me know what is the value of n. What is the value of n here? What is the value of n? Fast. Yeah, odd or even? Yeah, even. So if it is even, if it is even, what will be our formula? We learn if n is even, it will be sine theta. Plus minus later I am discussing. Okay, so it will be sine theta. Theta means what? 30 degree. Theta means 30 degree. Okay, this minus, don't care about this minus. Okay, inside the bracket whatever minus or plus doesn't matter. What matter, what is the coefficient of the n, what is the coefficient of pi by 2, what is that, odd or even, and which quadrant these are falling. Now let me know this 330 degree, in which quadrant this 330 degree is falling. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, which quadrant 330 degree is falling? Let me know first. This 330 degree, I hope you can see 330 degree, this, in which quadrant this 330 degree is? It is first quadrant, second quadrant, which quadrant? In which quadrant 330 degree is? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, not fifth, I mean, sorry. Answer. 330 degree, which quadrant? Yeah, fourth quadrant. Why? Look, first quadrant 90, pi by 2. Second quadrant 180, pi. Third quadrant 3 pi by 2, right? 270. And fourth quadrant, it is 2 pi. Okay, more than 270 to 270 to 360 degree. So it is on fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant sign positive or negative? In fourth quadrant sign is negative, right? So the sign will be here is minus 30 degree. So minus, what is the 30 degree value? 1 by 2, right? I forgot 1 by 2. Yeah. So answer will be 1 by 2. Okay. So this we have to be very much careful about the sign. Am I clear? So next I'm quickly going to the second part where it is showing that cos n pi by 2 plus minus theta equal to cos theta when n is even and sin theta when n is odd. Okay, for this one now I'm giving one example to do by yourself now. Try this one now. I'm giving you 5 to 6 minutes time. Cos 225 degree. This one, do this one now. Cos 225 degree, find out fast. Later I will show. Same as before. Same as before. And I hope all of you know sign for this one. In which quadrant cos is negative? Sign. So cos is positive in first and third quadrant, right? And negative in and second and third quadrant it is negative, right? We know here. Everyone find out. Cos 225. Cos is first and fourth quadrant it is positive and second and third quadrant is negative. So cosine will be first and fourth quadrant it is positive and second and third quadrant it is negative. So do one thing. Find out cos this one. I'm writing the third one. Third one is 10. Find out and let me know. Find out and let me know the value of cos 225 degree. Only the value. If anyone done, please let me know. Anyone got answer? Cos 225 degree? I'm giving you another 2 or 3 minutes, then I'll write this one. Anyone got answer? Let's see. Still no. Cos 225 degree, no one. How? Okay, look. I can wait more. 225 means we can write pi plus 45 degree. Pi means we know that 180 degree, right? So 180 plus 45 is 225. So next line will write cos 2 into 2 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree. Okay, then so now cos 2 pi by 2 plus 45 degree, right? So how to so here n is even. So if n is even, cos will not change, because look, we learned this formula that when n is even, it will be cos theta. When n is odd, it will be sin theta. So here you can see n is 2, so it will be cos 45 degree. It will be cos 45 degree. But let me know whether it will be plus or minus. 225 in which quadrant? 225 in which quadrant? Fast. 225 which quadrant? No one is responding. All are sleeping or what? Everyone is sleeping. I hope am I audible clearly? Let me know 225 in which quadrant? Lying in which quadrant? Yeah, third quadrant. Not fourth quadrant, it is in yeah, it is in third quadrant, right? In third quadrant, cos negative or positive? In third quadrant, cos negative or positive? Fast. This answer will be minus cos 45 degree, which is equal to minus cos 45 value is what? Root 3 by 2, I guess. Cos 45 value is, no, sorry, cos 45 value 1 by root 2, obviously. 1 by s a r d 1 by root 2. Okay, this is the value, cos 225 degree. So this is the things. Now, for 10 I'm not giving any example. For 10 I'm directly giving you some question. So tan is same. Tan n pi by 2 plus minus theta, it will be tan theta when n is even, and it will be cot theta when n is odd. Let me show you one very similarity. Okay, what similarity between the three? My goodness. What is the similarity between the three formula? I hope you see the three formula. Look, all the formula, when n is even, look, in all three formula the structure of the angle is same. We have to write the angle in n pi by 2 plus minus theta form. Okay, here also all three formula we have to write in same format. And when n is even, look, the sign, I mean, like the trigonometric ratio is not changing. Sine will be sine theta when it is even, right? But when it is odd, sine will go to cos, cos will go to sine, and tan will go to cot. Okay, so when n is even, we don't have to think about anything, because whatever the formula, whatever the trigonometric ratio is, we can stick to that ratio. But when it is odd, sine will be go to cos, sine will change to the trigonometric ratio cos, cos will change to sine, and tan will change to cot. So for tan, I'm not giving you any example now. I'm giving you three homework. I'm giving you three homework. This I'm giving you three homework. This homework, it should reach to me by today only. In Google Classroom, I will instruct you. So before that, I'm starting exercise. I'll do two problem of exercise 3.2. Okay, then I'll let you go. If you have the book, you can open page number 63. Page number 63, exercise 3.2. Okay, so first coming to the one question, question number 6. Question number, not question number 6, I'll do question number 8. It is related 10. So 10, 10. Those who have book, they can use the book. 10, 19 pi by 3. Okay, so now how to do this one? Same technique. We have to write this one in pi by 2 plus something, right? So for this, we'll convert the 19 by 3. We will convert the, we know that pi means 180 degree, right? So we'll convert this one first in degree form. First we'll convert this one in degree form, then we'll 10. So I hope you can understand this. 3 and 180 will cancel. It will be 19 into 3 and 180 cancel. It will be 60 degree, right? It will be 60 degree. These cancel, so it will be getting 60 degree. So if you multiply this one, it will be 10. Sorry, 19 into 360, it will be 140 degree. It will be 140 degree. So what we have to do, we will convert this 140 10 in 3. We can write 1080 plus 60 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, then Then we will convert this one tan something into pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 means 90. So what we have to multiply here? We have to multiply here 12. So 12 into pi by 2 is equal to this, plus 60 degree. Okay. So now we can see, so what is the value of this will be? Tan 12 into pi by 2 plus 60 degree. So 12 is even number. It will be tan 60 degree. But can anyone tell me in which quadrant this 1140 degree lying? 1140 degree lying in which quadrant? 1140 degree we can write 12 into pi by 2, right? This can be written, this full things can be written as 12 into 3 into 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi means, we know that 2 pi means 2 pi means 1 complete revolution, 3 pi means 3 complete revolution. After that 160, that means the angle is here. 140 degree angle is here. So tan 60 degree lying on the first quadrant. So we will put the tan 60 degree value, which is root 3. Okay. So it's okay. First, today I'm doing only one problem. Okay. So this is the one question. Don't forget to send me the homework. This. Don't forget to send the homework, everyone. Okay. Let's